Hi everyone. In this session, we will talk about how we can install and deploy a very famous CI/CD pipeline tool called Jenkins on Docker. Let's check out the agenda. So at first, we will learn how we can deploy a Jenkins on Docker. Second, we will see how we can set up the Jenkins. Third, we will try to install the Maven into the Jenkins container. Third, we will try to trigger a pipeline with the help of Jenkinsfile on the Dockerized Jenkins container. As part of the resources, the project, whatever we will use to demonstrate such examples, you can check out in this GitHub link, and the process how we can actually create the Jenkins file, that is step by step defined in the specified link. So you can check out. So let's meet in our further sessions. Thanks for watching.